Hey, this wood's going to help us make history here in Gallatin at Fairview Plantation. We're putting up the first LEED home here with Botsko Builders. Shane's going to show us how it's done and explain what a LEED home is. So let's go inside and take a look around, Shane. Okay, I guess the first question, Shane, would be what is a LEED home?
Jennifer, LEED is a process set forth by the U.S. Green Building Council. And basically it's a third-party certification of whether a home meets their requirements to be energy efficient.
So we're not just talking appliances here, we're talking the actual construction of the home?
Exactly. LEED is very pre-planned and that helps all the way through the project. It's not about appliances specifically. Now appliances play a part, but a lot of consumers out there see Energy Star appliances and think a home is green, and that's not necessarily the case.
All right, show us one way that you save money. You say you save a little wood here and there on the construction?
Yes, ma'am. For instance, our framing gentlemen are almost completely finished framing the job. They use techniques like ladder tees and California corners. This has saved an estimated 150 studs so far in the project.
So that's what, dollar-wise?
Probably close to $1,000.
So is there anything special about the flooring in this house?
It is. This flooring is a silent floor system called iLevel. It's manufactured by Weyerhaeuser, and basically it's manufactured according to the plans of the house, so when it's brought in and installed, there's no waste going away from the project.
You brought up waste. I noticed your dumpster outside, and I saw some great chunks of wood in there. They look like you could reuse them for something.
That's been our biggest takeaway from this project, Jennifer. It's been a great experience. That dumpster company basically takes all of the product in that dumpster, takes it back to their facility, goes through it all, and recycles everything they can recycle. Then they print us a report showing what's actually going to find its way to a landfill. So that's been the biggest takeaway. It costs no more than the typical dumpster that we would use.
Now, how did you cut down on waste in the basement here?
Jennifer, the basement foundation walls are actually manufactured by Superior Wall Systems, and they are pre-made, again, according to the plans. They're brought on site and installed. So you have no concrete pumping to form the walls, creating waste to take away from the site.
Now, why did you decide to do a LEED home in this neighborhood?
Actually, this is our 50th house that we've built just in this development, and we wanted to celebrate it. We feel like LEED and energy efficiency is the new wave of construction, and we want to be a leader in the luxury market.
Speaking of luxury homes, this is what you get when all the construction is done, right, Shane?
It is. Thank you so much. This is the typical finishes of one of our homes, and this is something that we really wanted to prove in building our first LEED certified home. We wanted to show people that it's not necessarily going to be the chrome and bamboo and the stainless steel that you would see. It can be nice finishes like we would typically put in a house.
Yeah, you definitely have options with these LEED homes.
You do.
Yeah, you did a great job. Botsko Builders, the first LEED home in Fairview Plantation in Gallatin. Pretty impressive. Come take a look.